Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, now let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So currently market has hit our short-term target, so setup that we have prepared for this week is done, because minimal target of the Gartner's to sell pattern is completed. But right now, as you know, we have two different time scales that we are watching for. And first of all, the first one stands on the daily, and we are still keeping on the table this possible AB significant CD retracement to the 1260 area, because the downward action is just has started, and we need to see what the progress will be with that. So that is a longer term perspective. But in the shorter term, the trading on the inside week, we are watching for minor patterns that are forming on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the intraday, on the hourly chart. So, for example, if you remember on the 4-hour time frame chart, yesterday we said that we will be watching for a drop to the 1307 area, because this is the 30% support of the whole body of the Gartner's triple to sell pattern that we have on the daily, on the 4-hour time frame chart, and this target has been completed. So now market showing the pullback up from this area, and as soon as this pullback will be over, we will start to watching for a continuation. So currently on the longer term time scale analysis, we are interested in the performance on the market, whether it will confirm our suggestion of the downward continuation. And here it will be very important what will happen around 1305, 1307 area. After minor pullback here will be over. So that's our primary object for monitoring. Meantime, since our first trade is completed, market has completed our EBCD retracement, so here was the moment for taking the profit of the trade, or at least closing the half of your position with the moving stance on the rest to the break even. Also, this is a good setup for a possible pullback here. Here market is completing the ABC retracement right at the fib support. We have the pullback and the bullish engulfing pattern. That overall price action creates a clear and perfect Gartner's triple to buy. This pattern suggests pullback at least somewhere to the 1315 area, so also 30% retracement. That's minimum target. It will be, so this also, as you can see, confidence resistance. And if you would like to take the scalp trade, and its potential will be around 7-8 bucks per contract. This is really not bad action for intraday charts, for short-term patterns. Applying the harmonic swing here is also point on the same area. So that's the setup that you could keep an eye within the today's session, and later we will see what will happen. So to keep our long-term downside scenario on table, we need to see reversal to the downside as soon as the minor pullback has happened, reversal down and breaking of the 1305 area and continue downward action. So other words speaking, we need to see appearing of the bearish reversal swing here. Currently we do not have it. We have the clear upside tendency, high lows and high highs. And once market will be taken out of these lows and break below the 1305, this will be the reversal. And that will be at least something so we could suggest on the possible downward continuation. It will be perfect if we will get a kind of hand shoulders maybe here on the hourly chart or something of that sort. But that is a future story. Currently we are watching for scalp setup. That's just briefly I'm telling you what we'll be watching on the next week. If market will fail to do this, to form the reversal swing and continue move higher, returning back to this top, it will mean that it's really big chances that we will not get this leg on the daily, but we will get upward continuation here. It also will be the important information for us. So that being said, today on the gold market we are watching for a small pattern, but this small pattern could provide really good potential for the trade, because overall construction looks very clear and perfect.